All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of No Sleep FX. I am your host, Tony, and I have been gone for a while. We've had Thanksgiving, we've had some family birthdays, and Christmas is coming up, right? So I haven't been doing a lot of YouTube content, but I'm still here, and today I want to talk to you about this banger of a trade I took. I think I got about 150 pips on gold from it. So I wanted to take the time and do a little video and talk about it today. Um, so let's just jump into it, okay? So right now we're looking at gold and we're on the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, looking to the left, right? We are bullish, right? On the 4-hour. You see the 8 EMA and 21 EMA, yellow 8, red 21. Anyways, we had a nice pullback down here, and then the EMAs crossed right here on this big bullish engulfing candle and kind of consolidated in here. Yesterday was in a range, and today finally broke out of that range. And looking at it, right, if we're looking at it right now from the 4-hour time frame, what I'm seeing is an inverted head and shoulder. So you got your shoulder right here, you got your head right here, and you got your other shoulder right here, right? So the idea of an inverted shoulder, you want the neckline to be broken, right? So again, the neckline is up here at one of my daily level zones right here. This is the neckline. You want that to get broken to continue to the upside, right? That's the idea behind that candle pattern. Again, so that was kind of my idea behind the trade. I'm looking for bullish confirmation, and I'm looking to fill this space possibly in tomorrow's trade, but we'll talk about that later. So here's the trade I took, right? It's right in there for about 158 pips, right? Something like that. So yeah, we got the EMAs crossing in here, right? I found my entry off the 15-minute, and right here in this circle, this orange circle, that's where I found my entry. And we'll do a little replay for you guys. So I'm gonna replay it out back to the entry candle, right? So I'll explain why I entered it. So price never broke this daily low, right? Previous daily low. Like I said yesterday was stuck in a range, and I did take a sell yesterday in here, and I ended up losing. But that's okay. Found a better trade today. But anyways, okay, so we're gonna talk about it, right? So the EMAs, let's look at our EMAs first. This is London session. Inside this green box, right? So London session is opened, and what I had done was I had put an anchored VWAP on the daily high at the time, right? So on the new daily high, I had put a anchored VWAP based on the new daily high. So that's that purple line you see in there. I know it's probably kind of hard to see, but again, let's roll with it, right? So the blue one is your time-based anchored VWAP, which starts at the beginning of the new trading day, right? At the open of Asian session, I guess. So again, we got our EMAs crossing 8/21, crossing in here. It crosses above the daily VWAP, that blue line, and it's trading on it, just trading back above right now. The EMAs never crossed over again, and with this daily high anchored VWAP, the idea behind it, once price breaks back above that anchored daily VWAP, buyers are in total control, right? So that was my idea behind the trade. The daily anchored VWAP got broken and held above, and I like this rejection wick off the EMAs, off the daily VWAP. it was just looking good to me. So I was like, all right, there's got to be some momentum coming. There's news at 8:30. It's not high impact news, but kind of is. It's a red folder, but not one of the big news events that I typically look out for. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna let this trade play a bit and explain my process throughout the trade. So I'm at work at this time, and I just kind of sat, let it do its thing for a minute, and when I saw that big candle right there, this first one, I was like, oh damn, we're looking good. All right, so what I did was I just moved to break even, and about 20:30 I had my break even, and I took some profits off the table right then and there, and then I had moved my take profit a little higher. Originally my first take profit was at 2040. I felt that was going to get hit pretty easily, so I moved it another 100 pips for 2050, but never reached up there, and I closed out a bit earlier than that, just to, I didn't want to be in the trade all day. But again, this was the trade, man. I mean, it just rocketed up like that, and that's where I got out. I got out at 2045, which is again about 158 pips, I want to say. I was risking 50 pips, and I got 150 out of it, so about a 1-3 out of this trade, which is not bad for me. Honestly, this is the best trade I have ever taken, and I actually held it all the way. I took some profits off, and I let that thing run a bit. For me, this is the most pips I have ever caught on gold, so I'm proud to say that. I'm happy with the trade outcome today. And yeah, that is it. I'm gonna keep it short and simple, nothing too crazy about it. If you want to know more about the Anchor VWAP, I mean, I'm sure there's YouTube videos out there and whatnot, but I'm just showing you what I did, how I'm looking at the charts and what I see. Again, my idea came off of this inverted head and shoulders. You got your shoulder here, head, shoulder. So again, we had a nice bullish candle, and we're right now kind of trading at the neckline. Again, if this daily level gets broken, we're looking good for this bullish momentum to keep going up to possibly fill all this space up here, right? That's my idea behind it. We got more news on Thursday. We got GDP and CPIs. Oh. Anyways, that's it. That's it for today. I appreciate you guys. Always leave a like, subscribe, comment. Do your thing. Happy to be back, and I plan on doing more. So thanks again, guys.